Hi everyone, today we are going to paint beautiful roses using a super simple technique that's perfect for beginners. We'll be using the letter C as our guide to create these roses with ease. So grab your paints and let's get started. So starting from the center of the circle, we'll paint two small C shapes, and these are the innermost petals of our roses. And then we'll add some water and then start adding some more C's around it. So here I'm using rose madder, but you can use any color that you want. So we'll continue to add these C shapes around the center, and we'll make them slightly bigger each time. And and remember, the roses have overlapping petals, so we'll keep overlapping these C's. So as we moved outside, we made our C shapes wider and more open. So we have one rose, and now we can add another rose. So you can again practice with me. Start with a C, add another one, and then after that we will start adding C's which are wider and bigger and overlapping with each other. So making your roses is as simple as drawing these C's. So you want to keep the color more darker in the center. So now we'll start adding the leaves, and I'm using sap green here mixed with a little bit of pink color. And what I'm doing is just pressing the brush against the paper and then filling it up with the color. So again, you can see these leaves are also very simple. We are just pressing the brush against the paper to make the basic shape and then filling it with the color. And the roses have these leaves with the serrated edges, so I'm just adding these small lines to mimic that. So again, we can add some more leaves here the same way. So it's the same process. You can add as many leaves you want. You can fill it up by adding more roses. And here I'm using size 10 silver black velvet brush. So you can pick up any brush which is the round brush with the pointed tip. So next we can add some splashes here and we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know what you want me to paint next. And thanks for watching and happy painting.